Assalamu alaikum. As you know, we have started the chapter 10, whose name is Introduction of Linear Equations. Okay? Before studying the linear equations, I will teach you about the term equation. Equation means equality of two expressions. Expression means an expression consists of constants, coefficients and variables. What are constants, variables and coefficients? Constants are those numbers without any variable whose values always be equal and same. Variables are those numbers whose values are different according to given situation. Coefficients are those numbers which are written with the variables. Okay? Coefficient means how many times the variable came in the equation, in the expression. For example, 2x. X is a variable, 2 is the coefficient. Why we call it a coefficient? Because it is written with the variable. So variable coefficient means how many times variable came in the equation. So 2x means x came 2 times. X came 2 times. Got it?
Yes.
When these terms, coefficient, variable or any constant 3, this form is called expression. This form is called expression. Expression means consists of variable, coefficients and constants. There is one more thing called exponent or power. Linear expressions are those expressions whose highest power of x or variable is 1. For example, look at this expression. Look at this expression. The variable x has power 1. So we call it a linear equation. Okay? When the expression consists of highest power 2, we call it quadratic or power 2 expression. If an expression consists of highest power of x3, we call it cubic equation. Okay? So on the basis of power, we categorized the expressions. For example, let's talk about equations. For example, 2x plus 3 equals to 4x plus 2. You can see there are two expressions. In the middle of two expressions, the symbol is equal. Okay? So when we equalize two expressions, the form is called equation. The form is called equation. Equation means equality of two expressions. There are many methods to solve a specific kind of equations. When you go up high level of your studies, for example at matriculation level, you will study about quadratic equations. There are three methods to solve our quadratic equations. But we are studying about linear equations. There are only one method. There are only one method to solve a linear equation. But on the basis of the situation, which kind of linear equations we have, so we solve it according to the given equation. For example, this expression, same variable in the left side or right side, but different coefficients. So we can solve this. We can rearrange the equations. Means we separate the variables and constants. We separate variables and constants. We separate variable, for example, 2 adds with the 4x. So when we take it to the another side, it will be minus from 3. And 2x here's 2x is adds with 3. When we take this 2x to the 4x, it will be minus from 4x. This is one method. Another linear equation, 2x over 3, 5x over 3, 2 equals to 1. Now we have a rational expression value, a fraction value. So we take LCM of the denominators
Yeah.
and then multiply each value with the answer of LCM. For example, 3, 2 has LCM 6. So we multiply this value by 6, this value by 6 and this value by 6. We think on which number the LCM 6 comes on the table of 3. 6 comes on in the table of 3 on 2. So we multiply by 2 to the numerator of this fraction. Now 6 comes in the table of 2 on 3. So we multiply by the numerator of 2 by 3. Yani 3 multiplied by 5x. When the number without a denominator, there is always a 1. So on the table, in the table of 1, 6 come on 6. So we multiply by the 1. Okay. Then solve according to this method. So every equation have a specific graph. Okay. For example, I'm driving a car in a straight line. See, the graph will be a straight line. Graph will be a straight line. Graph will be a straight line. So this is the graph of linear equation, which is always a straight line. Now form. Now two forms of linear equation. First is ax plus b is equal to c, and second is ax plus c is equal to bx plus d, and third is ax plus by plus c equal to any number, let's suppose 0. These equations are called linear equation in one variable. You can see there is only one variable x, and third one is called linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay? Roots or solution. Depending upon the power, we can divide the roots of that equation. For example, a linear has highest power 1, so there is only one solution, one root of x which satisfies the whole equation. Okay.